Hello traders, welcome to the video. In my last video, I showed you how you can use this indicator that you see on my chart to trade the boom and crash market. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use these same indicators to catch moves in the volatility index market. So this strategy works for all the volatility markets. It also works for the forex market, jump index market, and even you can backtest the crypto market also. So if you look carefully on my chart, this is 1 hour time frame and this is volatility 25. The only time frame we'll be using is the 1 hour time frame. But if you go on your higher time frame and then you combine this indicator with top-down analysis, then you will get more out of your trades. So if you look carefully on my chart, I have just 4 indicators. I have the fractals, MACD, and the moving average, and I also have RSI. The RSI shows the level 85 and the 15 level. The level 85 is the resistance level and the 15 is the support level. So we know that the support level send price to the downside and the resistance level send price to the upside. So we're also combining this idea with our analysis to get more perfect entry. So don't worry, I will show you settings to this indicator and I will show you buy and sell scenarios so that you can understand better. So what is the first thing we are looking for? The strategy is similar to the boom and crash strategy that I dropped, just that we are combining support and resistance with it to make the entry much more better. So if you look over here, the MACD and the moving average enters into the 85 level, which is a resistance level. So this is telling us that there is a hidden resistance level at this zone. Then you will look for a change of character or a breakout of a support level. So you can see over here, this is a rejection point. You can see market test this level, test this level. So you are waiting for the break of that level. So once you have the break like this, you see the candle closes below, then you will enter your sell. Or you can wait for when market comes to retest the middle of that level. So your stop loss will be above this high or above this high. We target the next swing low. You can see this triangle here telling you that this is a perfect area to target, or you can use the moving average to take your profit. If you follow this green line that you see over here, enters into the 15 level, which is a hidden support level at this point. So you close your trade at this point. So let me show you more examples so that you can understand better. This is another sell condition at this point. You can see how the MACD and the moving average enters into the 85 level. Once you have that, you can see at this point, then you will mark out the last support level after they have a cross. So this is the last support level at this point. You see how market retests that level, retests the level again before going to the upside. So once you have the break of this level at this point, you can enter your sell or wait for the retest of that level. Then you target the next swing lows. This will be your TP1 and this will be your TP2. Or you can use the green moving average for your target. You close your entry at this point. So this 15 level is telling you that there is a hidden support level at this point. So this is a buy condition. So for the sell condition, we focus our attention on the 85 level. But for the buy condition, if we want to buy to the upside, we focus our attention on the 15 level, just like the boom and crash market. So this is telling us that there is a hidden support level at this point where market can test to buy to the upside. This moving average and the MACD comes to the downside around the 15 level. Then you have the cross of the green moving average and the MACD. So that is telling you that there is a hidden support level at this point. Then you want to mark out the last resistance level to be broken. So over here, if I take my rectangle tool to mark out that level, see market closes above, you can enter your buy, and your stop loss will be below this low or this general low. Or you can wait for the retest. You see this retest comes down again, but did not take out this low where we put our stop loss. So then we target the next swing lows to the upside, or we can use this moving average and MACD to take our TP at the 80 level. You can see at this point that there is a hidden resistance zone at this level. Then we close our trade entirely. So if you look carefully, market comes to the downside pushing the MACD and the moving average into the 15 level. So this is telling you that there is a hidden support level at this point. After that, you want to look for the nearest resistance zone. You see our market reject, then break at this point. So once you have the break, let me zoom in. So once you have the break at this point, you will enter your buy. Then your stop loss will be below this low or below this low. So you can take your entry at the middle of resistance area so that market can come to test it before it buys to the upside. So you can see at this point, market comes, retest a particular level over here, which is also a nice support level. But it is not in accordance with our indicator, so we don't take the trade. Stop loss below here. You see the market did not come to take out the stop loss before it continues to the upside. So you can target the 85 level or a swing high to the left. So this is a good resistant level. Hope you understand what I am saying. So now let me quickly show you settings to my indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here. As said, I have 4 indicators. I have fractals, relative strength index, MACD, and moving average. To select fractals, click on the F icon on the main chart. Scroll down, fractals, click on that. Make your style to be 3 pixels, select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the relative strength index, click on the F icon on the main chart. Scroll down a bit, RSI, click on that. Make your period to be 1, apply to close style, 1 pixel, select color of your background. If your background is black, select black. If it is white, you select white. For the levels, this is what we need. Click on this pen icon over here. Add level, type 85 and 15. For the style, make it 2 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the MACD, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Scroll down a bit. MACD. Make your fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the styles, make it 4 pixel, select color of your background and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. For the moving average, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1. Moving average, click on that. Make your period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to previous indicators data. This is very important. Style 3 pixel and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. If you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So for the zoom level, let's say this is the normal zoom. So you zoom in 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. After this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy and test it on your demo account. Compare your win rate and see how profitable you will be. After that, you can decide whatever you want to do with the strategy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.